What's up, guys? So I built up a new bike for 2020, so I thought I'd give you guys a run through on what I'm riding. Let's start at the top. I am running the Medieval Bikes dungeon handlebars. I like them. They got a cool upsweep. They're 9.6 rise, and they come in 30 wide, but I cut them down to 29 so I can do some weird stuff. I'm also running the S&M hoder grips with Merritt Barends. For brakes, yes, I run brakes. I'm running the Odyssey small. I used to ride the Tech 77 for a very long time, but I decided to try something different after probably 13 years running the same brake lever. Time for something new. Next, I'm running the Shadow Ravenger stem. I like the stem. It's simple, but also matches the bike kinda, so I'm gonna run it. While we're on the top, I got the Odyssey gyro cable in white, same as the bottom. The Odyssey gyro with a Shadow headset. I'm running a tall order frame, 21. It's the 215 frame. It's the Matty Kramer colorway. Continuing, I have the S&M widemouth pitchforks. I think they're the XLTs. It's been a while, so I don't remember. I'm also running the Shadow rims front and rear with a Merritt F1 Brian Foster tire with my cool bullet. But I also run the Merritt hub guards. I like these hub guards. They're really good. They've been good to me. These are actually still the first ones when they first came out. I've switched them from like 2-3 wheels since then, and they are still going strong. I highly recommend getting the Merritt hub guards. Also, let's continue. I'm running the Merritt seat post. It's a long one. Love it because it's at least, what, fist, maybe a little more, fist and a thumb seat. I know that matters to a lot of you. I'm also running the S&M seat pivotal. Let's see, I have S&M indent crank, fit slash S&M, they're made by S&M, indent cranks, 24mm with Odyssey jcpc pedals. But on my left pedal, I took the pins out for luckies and crank arm grinds, whatever else I might feel like doing, levitators, magic carpets. But I always shave down the pins so they don't hurt my legs should I shin myself. Running back, I have Mission brakes. I don't care what anyone says, these brakes are actually really nice. They might be inexpensive, but you don't need $60 brakes. These things are amazing. Look at the gap between the brake arms. There's no rubbing, no nothing. Listen, solid. All right, got a demolition sprocket, can't remember what kind, but it's old and it's cyan blue, 28 tooth with a Shadow Supreme chain. I have had this chain probably almost 2 years, still the same chain. Again, Brian Foster tire in the rear with a Shadow rim with a Shadow hub. I'm running Merritt s.i.r pegs, 4.5 millimeter or 4.5 inches long. Love them. And I use this S&M symbol hub guard I've had for years too. That's my bike. That's my new 2020 bike. If you have any questions, you guys can write them in the comments. Maybe we'll do a bike check or something in the future with somebody else. All right, take care, guys. Keep shredding.